Hello everyone. Today I have this Mustang Mach 1 in yellow color 1971 made by Premium X. It's a limited 1 to 43 scale model, and first I will be unboxing it, then I will be reviewing it, and then maybe also giving it the final score. So let's first moving it out of the box. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not suitable for children under 14. So if you are under 14, you should not play with this model. It's not a toy, it's really a model for collectors, which is also here. Yeah, so premium models for collectors, and here is the Mustang Mach 1 yellow color. So let's directly open the box. As you can see here, we have a nice case. All right, so it's always a little bit problem to take it out, but not here. All right, so here we go. Very nice transparent box, this nice case. Yeah, so it could be displayed in this one, or you can also take it out like I will do it and then display it in some other display case or display cabinet. All right, so what is important here? We have this plate saying limited edition, but actually we don't see how many pieces were produced, which is a little bit problem for me. Maybe not for you, but for me definitely it is a problem. Yeah, so we don't see how many pieces. So let me also take off this rounded sticker very carefully. All right, and then voila, we have this nice model right here. As I said, yellow color. Look at that. Yeah, so it looks pretty fantastic. Here we see this Mach 1. Very nice tires saying Goodyear. So also very detailed here in this case. And I also like how this frame around the windows is made, around the windshield here, and also in the back. This looks like a separate piece. I'm really surprised. No, it looks very fantastic, very detailed. In the back, maybe look, let's have a look here. Nice license plate. This is always welcomed when they have a real license plate. This nice wing in black color, typical tail lights. Here we have also the side indicators or turning indicators. We have here also a key fob, which is very small key fob actually. I hope you can see it. Yeah, if not, then maybe let me do this, and the camera will then refocus on the right place. We have also in the front the headlights. They look quite detailed, and we have very small, tiny. Maybe let me zoom in a little bit if possible. Yeah, so with this camera I should be able to also show all the details. So right now you can see what is here in the front, and yeah, that's looks quite okay. Now let me zoom out again. All right, so as I said, I'm not sure what is this PRD397J. That's probably the production code of this model, but I'm not really sure. I don't know this one. Ford Mustang, obviously from 1971. And then I also love that this is two colors. So we have the black on the hood here, and there's also something very tiny. It says 351 Ram Air. And we have also here some additional details, air intakes. We have the side mirrors, which actually are reflective. Yeah, so it's not just a color, it's a reflective sticker on that. Yeah, it's very small, and sorry for that. Yeah, so that's why it's quite difficult to show it to you in all the details, but it's really awesome. Now maybe what I can do is also unscrew it. Yeah, so we have really tiny screws, two of them. So let me now use my screwdriver very quickly so that we can also see the model, how it looks like without this base. Yeah, which is quite important. I also want to show you the undercarriage. All right, so is it possible now? Yes. Okay, so let's remove it. It's very, very tiny, yeah, very tiny, and I should be careful. But now let's start with the undercarriage. Two exhausts. What else can we see here? We have all the details written here. Yeah, but it's so small, and I should maybe reverse it like this. Made in China, 1:43 scale. Okay, made under license. Of course it is, yeah, so it's nothing fake. No copyright or trademark infringement. It's really a nice yellow model. Wow. What about, is it driving now, or how well? Yeah, sometimes, oh, it's quite okay, I must say. Yeah, so very beautiful. I think this will really go well into my collection. And I'm just now making only a series of those small short videos, 5-6 minutes, just to show you this 1:43 scale model, because I can't obviously open anything. Yeah, it's just for display only. But I love them because they are not so expensive, quite cheap. I can have many of them because they don't take so much of my space, and they are really lovely. Yeah? So sometimes I don't really want to buy a big 1:18 or 1:12 model. Instead, I just buy this small one, and it will also satisfy my needs of buying new and new models every time. So good. I love this one. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.